lovely. Hello lovely people, today we are going to make tiramisu, traditional tiramisu Italian style. I'm going to show you how to make it in a homemade way, super easy, super delicious. We have lady fingers for this recipe. You can make it by yourself, but it's so difficult, I don't recommend to you. We need 2 eggs, 1 very good quality strong coffee, and cocoa powder. And originally they used mascarpone, but I didn't have it, so I decided to use a very good quality cream cheese, this Philadelphia cream cheese. Although they don't pay for sponsorship or anything, but I like this one. First thing first, we need to separate the egg yolk and egg white. I believe all of you know this, but for very young people that they don't know how to separate the egg yolk and egg white, I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, crack your egg. Beautiful. And like so. Separate. You see? Easy enough, yeah? And we need to separate it beautifully. And the second one. Beautiful. First, we need to beat our whites because it's more important part. Alright, for this I'm going to use a splash of white vinegar or lemon juice, only a little splash. Alright, too much, but it's okay. And now I start to beat it by my hand. Forgot to tell you ingredients. We need sugar too, of course. 1 cup of sugar for this recipe. You can decrease or increase the amount of sugar. It's all your choice. Homemade, your home, your style. Okay? We add little by little to our egg yolk and we beat it. Alright, we beat it enough until this stage. Look at this beautiful meringue. Alright, now we have our beautiful meringue. Time to beat our egg yolk, which is here. Alright. Same process again. We add the sugar little by little. This is the consistency we want. We love it. And I add a splash of that strong coffee because we need it for taste and for the color. As you notice, the color changed to little bit of creamy brown color. Okay. Time to use our beautiful cream cheese. I told you they usually use mascarpone for this recipe. We do all respect to Italian. I don't want them to be mad at me, but I had this one and this is a very good quality cream cheese. So I use Philadelphia cheese instead of mascarpone. Sorry, Italian friend. And now we need to add the cream cheese to the egg yolk. And I want to show you something. To taste that your meringue is ready, you just put it upside down and like so. If okay, try to mix in a bigger bowl, not like me. We are out of some of the equipment here, but it's okay, it's homemade. The result is important. Okay, no matter how you do it, just do it. Enjoy cooking and baking. Alright, what we did was we changed the bowl because that was a wrong bowl, a small bowl, not good for this, because you need to mix it very well. And I added a little bit of more of sugar to this beautiful cream. You see how creamy it is, but you need to dissolve the sugar inside of it. Now look how beautiful and creamy it is. That's what we want. We are going to mix this with meringue. Okay, time to mix and assemble. Mix this little by little, but fold it, not mix it. Alright? You need to be patient in order to have that right texture. That pillowy, soft, creamy tiramisu we always wanted. Yeah? So, instead of mix it right away, just be patient and fold it, fold it, fold it. Okay? It is airy, pillowy, and creamy. So this part is my girlfriend's favorite part. I let her to do this. Alright, now for the last part, we need to assemble this dessert because my girlfriend cannot wait to taste it. She loves it. Alright. In this stage, if you want to add the liquor, you can add the liquor to this beautiful coffee. Oh, we have order again. Alright, we need to soak this beautiful lady finger into this coffee very quick, and then we assemble it here. Okay? We can only do one layer because it's a very tiny, beautiful plate or box, what do you call it? Alright, here you are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Same with the other one. Very fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's it. And now we need to add the batter. Look at it. Beautiful. And now, time to add perfect quality cocoa powder on top of that. Very gentle. Into the fridge, then it's ready to go. I hope you enjoy it.